Thoughts of the day, Sunday, the 15th of February 2026, where, in any justice system or law, national or international, is there any provision for use of force, swords, bullets, bombs, wars, secrecy and stealth weapons in the maintenance of alleged peace? In fact, any justification in the use of war for attaining and maintaining peace is a deception of a democracy concealing a dictatorship. Humanity has been under dictatorships for centuries, since the assassinations of royals, kidnaps of their children for use as slaves, and their wives for vices. Nothing has changed except Satan is now turned against himself, because humanity opted out of self-destruction. Satan's power and ego made him blind to his reality as a one man on an island. God gives enough free will for evil to turn on itself. The extra time, patience and trust that good will prevail above evil makes for a smooth and swift transition. God never loses because we have the free will to reincarnate until our mission is complete and all wrongs against us and our ancestors are righted. Our souls can enter into a body at procreation if we see a purpose, and depart at a time of completion of the mission. We can also enhance our perceptions through purpose felt in our hearts to interact with the causes of others more vulnerable and less able. All our suffering is through the heart as we gain strength from teaching mindless perpetrators right from wrong. As our souls leave our bodies, we become even more perceptive of the next challenge needed to restore peaceful communities. Basically, there is no such thing as death, only a strengthening soul which flows like a stream through millennia until it reaches the ocean of eternal peace. Talented children and newborn babies have been kidnapped for millennia because Satan truly wants to appear to be God, but in reality wishing to enslave God's children. God's children takes on a physical body to prove that Satan is not God and can never enslave God's children. The slaves of Satan are left as mere illusions in history, as a perpetual war-winning team, whilst the true whistleblowers of all times who sought peace are defamed as cowards. When was any war, force, hostility, hate, anger justified on God's planet when each day brings its own challenges for those with huge hearts? Lotus,